And me ba be chiro videos o post a bit me limit monetization or Facebook. High Tech Pro GH channel abase ebe abeboa ama making money through your social media platforms.
Welcome to Tech Pro GH. We teach you how to make money online through your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe.
Video number 1 is football content. Football videos like Premier League, La Liga, Champions League, Bundesliga, Italian Serie A. So we post to these videos a bit a lot of violations. A lot of violations. I limited monetization. And it will be better say one cause I'll do a phone with video now post to. But okay, a free website na I bet you copyright the account. And a copyright account so there be a limited o page and a professional mode So ubetimi aye as a sports analyst or any other thing ubetimi you take the video ufa video na no aye reaction videos about it. You are good to go. But okofa now post no raw copyright the account. And then number 2, so ode nkra nkutoa be videos. Amanfo bebre de omo mma ne omo surveillance ye content. But say mistakenly obo akra no go video no ma child abuse. Facebook be sorry etia violation, the more violation as a child abuse. It will affect you monetization on Facebook. It will limit you. And then number 3, violence content. Send tokwa and answer some other people who car now they how many are they bubo no papa. That is violence. Facebook when say maybe a content creation, they will give you violation. It will limit or content and page in for monetization. To avoid those things. And then number 4 is health content. Health content like herbalist. With me about no church. What do we say? Well, health organization for proof be amayan. The right thing now church, but some of the content, who create Facebook best strike kill. Even more violation because I can say false information. You can say false information. And say who facts and all her obetimi a refer obetimi the credit na ma that health person na or mouth our information now the extra content obetimi the ama na we are good to go. Number 4 blogging videos take video and direct no post to without giving the credit to the person who a video. Nipa na oye video no o mfa credit bi amana na ade. Eno so yebetimi am violation. Obi wo an video bi obi post bi a why no copyrighted. It is all kofa no raw no one reaction videos. One can be you didn't add any value to it. Ebe strike o page na ebe how. So oye bibi me who say ampa akwa we chirichiri mo kan bibi fa ho. You are good to go. Maka material way football content, child content, violation content, health content, and blogging content, which is 5. Number 5, but I'm missing number 4, and only number 5. High Tech Pro GH, a channel papa pie about Ghana, any Africa say yebe buama unemployment swati using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Charlie, you're making money or share video ma for so nyabi and now be like no comment with that say Facebook Tech Pro GH YouTube also your Tech Produce. Subscribe na follow at the same time. Our pages in so. Bye bye.